By now, we all know about Andrew Tate. And he's recently been removed from all major social media platforms due to supposed policy violations. This ban has forced him to move to a different platform, Rumble, and his viewers have followed, causing an increase in active users of nearly 50% and a huge jump in its stock price. Rumble has previously been most popular with older conservatives, but Andrew Tate has brought the attention of a younger audience to Rumble, and other seemingly controversial content creators are rumored to follow suit.
Bruh, look at this dude.
However, I believe there's a bigger picture to Rumble than just Andrew Tate.
Warning, this video is not financial advice. I am simply sharing my own personal research, and you should always do your own research and understand risk before making any investment.
Thanks, and please remember to like and subscribe. Enjoy the video. Firstly, to clear things up, at the time of making this video, Rumble itself is still a private company, but on September 15, 2022, a special purpose acquisition company, SPAC, under the ticker CFVI, will merge with Rumble as long as shareholders approve the merger. But wait. What the f*** is a SPAC? A SPAC is a corporation founded solely for the purpose of raising money through an initial public offering and purchasing another business to take it public. SPACs have 2 years to complete a purchase before they have to reimburse investors for their money. So, to invest in Rumble, I have actually bought CFVI shares. When CFVI merges with Rumble, Rumble will be publicly listed on the stock market under a new ticker RUM, which now I realize actually has some meme stock appeal, and hopefully, its price will go to the moon. But anyway, let's get back to why I have actually invested in CFVI. In short, YouTube and many other social platforms are becoming increasingly censored. Many believe that their censorship is a move against free speech and open discourse online. Rumble is essentially the free speech substitute for YouTube, being self-proclaimed as neutral and anti-cancel culture. So, my overall logic behind buying shares in Rumble is that stricter censorship from big tech will make it harder for established and new content creators to freely speak their opinions, have open discourse and monetize their content. Rumble, I believe, will be the place these content creators will go running to, and, as a result, so will their viewers, as proved by Andrew Tate. Consequentially, it will become a place where businesses will be able to get their advertisements seen by millions. Rumble is also gaining massive attention in the media. Google Trends shows Rumble's popularity to be on a solid uptrend and the highest it's ever been, and they have even just signed a deal with Donald Trump's platform Truth Social. Currently the market caps of major social media platforms are huge. Google, who owns YouTube, Twitter and Facebook or Meta have market caps of tens and hundreds of billions, while Rumble has currently a market cap of 470 million. So, even if Rumble grew to a quarter of the size of these big tech companies, the upside potential is huge. In the second quarter of 2022, Rumble reported a 70% increase in active monthly users, and a 60% increase in watch time. This is contrary to the slowing growth their big tech competition. These numbers show us what strong growth trajectory I believe Rumble is on. Further, looking at the price chart, we can see that CFVI is 30% lower from its high in February 2022. And quite clearly, this does not reflect the fact that Rumble now has the highest amount of activity and popularity it has ever had, which leads me to believe it is undervalued. Zooming in, shortly after Andrew Tate's first podcast on Rumble after being banned, the stock price jumped tremendously. This can only lead to me to think about the effect that other big content creators and their following moving to Rumble would have in the future. Lastly, although it is not particularly part of my personal reason to invest in Rumble, the technical analysis also looks pretty good, breaking through some key areas and trend lines.
Bruh.
So then overall, in bullet points, what are my reasons for investing in Rumble? 1. It is the free speech, neutral alternative for YouTube, which is increasingly facing censorship issues. 2. Their popularity is growing massively, both in terms of media attention and user activity. 3. Creators with large passionate followings, most notably Andrew Tate, have moved to the platform and I believe others will follow. 4. Their growth potential is huge.
Yeah, boy!
I hope you have enjoyed this video on why I have personally invested in Rumble under the ticker CFVI. Again, this video is not financial advice, I am just sharing my own research. Please do yourselves a favor and do your own research before making any investment. If you're just getting started buying stocks, I have a referral link in the description where you can get a free stock with Trading 212, so check that out. Lastly, please like and subscribe and leave your thoughts on Rumble below. Cheers!
Why are you running? Why are you running?